Good morning, everyone. The today's topic is living and non-living things. Okay, so let's look at it. Earth is our planet. Okay, we see many things like plants, animals, mountains, buildings, vehicles, tables, rocks, seas, and many more on Earth. Human made, man made things. Things that are made by man are called man made things. For example, buildings, chairs, vehicles, airplanes, TVs, etc. are made by man. Okay, so these things known as man made things. Natural things, things that are exist in nature and are not made by man, are called natural things. For example, rocks, seas, stars, plants, animal, etc. All these are the natural things. Okay, so next is non-living things. Things do not have life are called non-living things. Okay, all man-made things and natural things like rocks, mountains, water, etc. are non-living things. Okay, the next is living things. Natural things like humans, plants, and animals that have life are called living things. Living things differ from non-living things in many ways. Okay, living things and non-living things can be classified on the basis of their characteristic. Here the characteristic of living things. The first characteristic is move on their own. The movement of living things shows that living things have life. Movement is seen easily in human beings, animals, birds, and insects. Okay, but non-living things can't move on their own. Okay, we cannot see the movement in most of the plant. Okay, we can see the movement in human beings or animals. So here the some plants shows the movement, like sunflower always faces the sun. In the morning the flower faces east, and in the evening it turns to the west. The leaves of touch me not plant close when you touch them. Okay, so these such a plant shows the movement. Okay, and the next is the second characteristic of living thing, that all living things need food. Living things need food to live. It helps them to grow and develop. Most of the plants prepare their own food with the help of air, water, and sunlight. Animals get their food from plants or from other animals. So living things need food, but non-living things not need to food. Okay, living things grow. All living things grow a bigger inside. A baby plants grow into a tree, a chick grows into a hen, a cub grows into a lion, a human baby grows into an adult human. Okay, so living things grows, but non-living things not grow. Okay, living things feel. We laugh when we are happy, we cry when it pains. A puppy wags its tail when it is happy. Anger, pain, pleasure, etc. are the feelings. Okay, plants also have feelings. Plants feel the sunlight. As plants feel the sunlight, so it grows towards it, and it shows also feeling as human beings. Okay, living things breathe through nose. Living things take in air, this oxygen, and give out air, this is carbon dioxide. The chest moves up and down when we breathe in and breathe out. Living things cannot live without oxygen. Okay, so living things need to breathe, but non-living things no need to breathe. Okay, living things reproduce. Living things reproduce their own kind. Human beings and animals like cows, tigers, etc. give birth to babies. Birds, snakes, and insects, okay, lay eggs. Okay, here the difference between living and non-living things is given. Okay, living things and non-living things. Okay, so here are some characteristic of living and non-living things. So we can differentiate the living things and non-living things on the basis of their characters. The first difference between living and non-living thing is living things move on their own. Okay, but non-living things cannot move on their own. Okay, and second one is living things need food to grow and develop, and non-living things do not grow and develop, so they don't need food. Third one is living things grow and develop, non-living things don't grow and develop. Living things have feeling, non-living things have no feeling. Fifth one is living things breathe and non-living things do not breathe. Okay, the last one is living things reproduce, that is produce their own kind, non-living things do not produce. Okay, so thank you class, have a nice day.